Do you ever feel like the universe is expanding, but your investment portfolio isn't quite keeping pace? Many of us are familiar with traditional investment avenues: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate. But in a world constantly innovating, what if there were other, equally compelling, perhaps even more exciting, ways to grow your wealth? What if you're looking for an alternative to something like Spaceship Invest, a platform known for its focus on diversified, often tech-heavy, portfolios and managed funds? The truth is, the investment landscape is vast and ever-evolving. While platforms like Spaceship offer a fantastic entry point for many, especially those new to investing or looking for a hands-off approach, they aren't the only star in the galaxy. The alternative isn't about finding a direct clone, but rather exploring different philosophies, asset classes, and levels of involvement that might better suit your individual financial goals, risk tolerance, and even your personal interests. So, let's blast off and explore some intriguing alternatives that might just be the perfect fit for your financial journey. We're talking about options that offer different pathways to growth, some with higher risk and potential reward, others focused on stability or even making a tangible impact. First up, let's consider direct stock investing for those who want more control and a deeper understanding of the companies they're backing. Instead of a managed fund choosing for you, you become the captain of your own ship, handpicking individual stocks. This requires research, understanding financial statements, and keeping an eye on market trends. Think about it. If you're passionate about renewable energy, you could invest directly in solar panel manufacturers or wind farm developers. If tech is your jam, you could delve into the latest AI startups or established software giants. This approach allows for potentially higher returns if your picks perform well, but also carries higher risk if they don't. The beauty here is the direct connection to the companies you believe in. Next, we journey into the realm of exchange-traded funds, ETFs. If the idea of picking individual stocks feels a bit daunting, but you still want diversification and lower fees than traditional mutual funds, ETFs are a fantastic middle ground. Unlike actively managed funds that often have higher expense ratios, ETFs typically track an index, a commodity, or a basket of assets. You can find ETFs that focus on specific sectors like cybersecurity, clean energy, or even emerging markets. This gives you exposure to a broad range of assets with a single investment, offering diversification without the active management fees. It's like buying a prepackaged collection of your favorite spacefaring vessels without having to build each one from scratch. For those looking for something tangible, something you can literally hold, real estate investment trusts, REITs, offer an interesting alternative. Instead of buying a whole property, REITs allow you to invest in portfolios of income-generating real estate. This could be anything from apartment complexes and shopping malls to data centers and medical facilities. You get the benefits of real estate investment, like potential income from rent and appreciation, without the headaches of being a landlord. It's a way to own a piece of the physical world, generating returns from bricks and mortar, rather than just bits and bytes. Venturing further out, consider peer-to-peer, P2P, lending. This is where you directly lend money to individuals or businesses through online platforms, bypassing traditional banks. You earn interest on your loans, and platforms manage the repayment process. While it carries higher risk than some traditional investments due to the potential for borrower default, it can also offer attractive returns and the satisfaction of directly supporting individuals or small businesses. Think of it as crowdfunding for loans, a more direct way to help fuel economic activity. Finally, for the truly adventurous and those with a higher risk tolerance, we arrive at angel investing or venture capital. This involves investing directly in early-stage startups with high growth potential. This is often done through angel investor networks or venture capital funds. The potential returns can be astronomical if a startup hits it big, but the risk of losing your entire investment is also significantly higher. This is for those who want to be at the cutting edge, fueling innovation and potentially being part of the next big thing. It's the ultimate frontier for investment, where you're not just riding the waves, but helping to create them. The alternatives to platforms like Spaceship Invest are as diverse as the stars in the night sky. The key is to understand your own financial goals, your comfort level with risk, and the amount of time and effort you're willing to put into managing your investments. Whether you prefer direct control, diversified baskets, tangible assets, direct lending, or high-growth startups, there's a universe of possibilities waiting to be explored. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.